Hello guys, welcome to How to Solution. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add background images to your Squarespace website easily. So first of all guys, open up your Squarespace home menu and then click on the page where you guys want to add the background image to. I'm going to choose this one for example, and then it will take you guys to this page. So click on edit from over here. So you want to add a background image in this section for example. All you need to do is click on the pencil icon and tap on background from over here and then select image. And as you can see, you can add your image easily from over here. So just click on add image and tap on upload file. So then you can choose the image you want for your background. I'm going to choose this one for example. And as you can see, the image has been added to the background. Also, you guys have some other options for your background image. For example, overlay opacity. You can increase it or decrease it. So just play around with these options until you got the result you wanted. So hey guys, that is basically how you can add the background image in Squarespace. If you guys found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, take care until next time.